Samsung trolls Apple again. In their latest video foldables, Samsung is trolling Apple users for missing out the groundbreaking stuff that Samsung has already made in recent year. Samsung is asking iPhone users to stop being on the fence about switching sides and switch now. The video shows an iPhone user standing the fence and is about to cross over to the Samsung side, but a couple of iPhone users stop him, claiming they are not allowed to. We can support Samsung here because of their foldables, but when it comes to the camera department, especially on video mode, Samsung is far behind the Apple. So basically the ad is about Apple being lazy in adopting new features, and there's no need for Apple users to wait for years to get the latest features or the latest hardware, when you can get the same with Samsung phones. Samsung has come close to perfecting the foldable phone over the past few years, and the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is expected to be even better than current models. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 far away from the launch, but the rumors wheels are starting to pointing out that what is going to be potentially coming in the Galaxy Z Fold 5? Well, basically the major update that we could receive in the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be in the camera department and in the processor department. The Z Fold 5 has a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, and the S22 Ultra has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, so Z Fold 5 has the more up-to-date newer processor. A new video from YouTube TechDroider shows putting the Galaxy Z Flip 4 and Galaxy Z Fold 4 4400 mAh battery life test. These phones are pitted against Samsung's own Galaxy S22 Ultra 5000 mAh battery, the Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max 4352 mAh battery, the OnePlus 10 Pro 5000 mAh battery, and the Xiaomi 12's Ultra with 4860 mAh battery capacity. Surprisingly, the Galaxy Flip 4 and the Galaxy's Fold 4 out to the Galaxy S22 Ultra, despite a lower battery capacity. In a test, it takes the phones through gaming, web browsing, and social media apps. Anyway, Apple is expected to release its first foldable in 2024, 5 years after Samsung launched it in 2019, but it's not going to be a phone. Instead, it will be a foldable iPad, and it's rumored to cost a massive $2,500. So, with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.